Psalm 23, like you've never heard it before. Inspired by Traci, Coston, and Grandma. The Lord is my shepherd. That is relationship. Not just a distant ruler, but a personal, present shepherd who walks closely with you. I shall not want. That is supply. He is Jehovah Jireh, our provider. In him every true need is met. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. That is rest. He gives peace in a world that never stops. Rest isn't just a luxury, it's a promise. He leadeth me beside the still waters. That is refreshment. His presence restores the parched places in your soul, and he is the living water. He restoreth my soul. That is healing, not a surface fix, but deep heart-level restoration where only he can reach. He leadeth me in the paths of righteousness. That is guidance. He doesn't just show the way, he walks with you in it, shaping your steps to follow his truth. For his name's sake. That is purpose. Your life matters because it reflects his glory. You were made for more than survival. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death. That is testing. The valley is real, but it's a shadow, not a substance, and he leads through it. I will fear no evil. That is protection. Because your shepherd is stronger than your enemies and nearer than your fears. For thou art with me. That is faithfulness. You are never abandoned. His presence is not seasonal, it's eternal. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. That is discipline. His correction guides you back when you stray, not out of anger, but out of love. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies. That is hope. He blesses you right in the midst of opposition. Victory isn't private, it's public. Thou anointest my head with oil. That is consecration. He calls you chosen, marked by God and set apart for his purpose. My cup runneth over. That is abundance. Not just enough, but more than enough. His blessings overflow. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. That is a blessing. You're not being haunted by your past, you're being followed by his grace. And I will dwell in the house of the Lord. That is security. Home is not a building, it's his presence, and he's made room for you. Forever. That is eternity. This is just the beginning. The shepherd who walks with you now is the same one you'll see in glory. Face it, God loves you. Thank you again for the inspiration, and may your worship, singing, dancing, kneeling, or raising your hands always draw you deeper into the presence of the shepherd who restores, protects, and rejoices over us. Blessings.